because I need all of your help, okay? Are you ready? We're going to go to the left. Can we walk to the left? And I'm going to sing a little bit, and then we'll just practice a little bit, okay? Circle to the left, old brass wagon. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. Circle to the left in the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. You got it. Okay, stop. Can everybody grab? Alright, we're going to do the same thing, but to the right this time, okay? And then we can get under it eventually. Let's hold it up a little bit higher so the temptation is right there. There we go, okay. Everyone circle to the right. Ready? Go. Circle to the right, old brass wagon. Circle to the right in the old brass wagon. Circle to the right in the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Alright, stop. Okay. I think some of these kiddos might want to get under. Why don't we let the little ones get under? Everyone go under! Everybody under the old brass wagon. Everybody under the old brass wagon. Everybody under the old brass wagon. You're one, my darling. Woo! Everybody grab. We're going to walk around again. Can I grab a little bit? Honey, grab a little bit? Oh, we just want to go under again. That's fine. That's so fun. If you want to go under, you can. Alright, so we're going to circle one more time. You want to go under? Okay. After we go under, Harley wants under. Here we go. Alright. Everybody grab the corner. We're going to circle to the left again. Alright? Ready? And the little ones can stay under if they want. We're going to circle to the left. Old brass wagon, circle to the left. Old brass wagon, circle to the left. And the old brass wagon, you're one, my darling. Stop. All right, circle to the right one last time for direction following purposes. Circle to the right, old brass wagon. Circle to the right, old brass wagon. Circle to the right in the old brass wagon. You're one, my darling. That is a fun one. You guys are awesome. That is the last activity in my practicum.